Welcome. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress website in just a few minutes, ensuring all your content is safe and secure. Whether you're protecting your blog, portfolio, or online store, this is a must-know skill. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Look to the top right corner and click on the login button. You can sign in using your usual method, but the easiest and most secure way is with your Google account. Simply select your account and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Tools section. This is where WordPress keeps the options for managing and exporting your website content. Click on Export and you'll see choices for what you want to back up: posts, pages, media files, or your entire site. Take a moment to select exactly what you need so nothing important is left out. Next, initiate the export process by clicking Download. WordPress will compile your content into a single file that you can save to your computer. This file is your full backup. It contains all the content, posts, pages, and media files you selected. Keep it safe because it's what you'll use to restore or migrate your site if anything goes wrong. WordPress even provides visual cues along the way, making it simple to follow. And if you ever want to explore more advanced backup options, there are plenty of additional resources available. By following these steps, you've now successfully backed up your WordPress website. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your content is safe and that restoring or moving your site is just a few clicks away.